Puppet.
Yeah.
How are you?
Oh, pretty good.
We had a beautiful Thanksgiving. It was lovely.
Yeah, very
Today's
nice.
Friday. I think we've got some people still in the house. It was such a delicious dinner, and it was all about family and friends.
Yeah.
Yep.
Some people are some have already gone home.
Okay.
Some people are here for like almost the rest of the weekend, and a lot of them they're all out right now. The people are staying out doing some Christmas shopping.
I think we've got shoppers. I think we've got people packing.
Yep.
And I just wanted to, we got all these leftovers, and I know people are out. So I thought we would share some sandwiches we've got leftovers, because this is the best part of the meal sometimes.
Yeah, Puppet tell you before that this Puppet thinks this may be better than the actual dinner itself.
I know. So
Puppet does not want to overstate how good this sandwich is.
well, I know. So
But if Puppet were going to overstate how good this sandwich is, he would say, not to oversell it, but it may be the greatest sandwich in the history of sandwiches.
well, let's not oversell it, but let's put a sandwich together, and we're going to grill it. So we've got some leftover turkey, and we've got some stuffing. Look how nicely it slices when it's cold. It's like a little stuffing loaf. That's my favorite part.
Yeah,
and then we put a little tomato on there.
Yep.
You have to make sure it's dry, but Puppet, while I'm putting and you know what? We've got some nice cheese.
Yep, provolone.
And we started with our usual slathering of mayo and mustard.
Yep.
And then Puppet, one of the best things about these sandwiches, remember?
Yeah.
Leftover.
That's what we said. This is the glue.
This
you
is
don't
the
think it's going to be
glue.
important, but it's important.
It is important. So
Do it.
it's going to, you can load it up, and you can also, it's nice to serve it on the side. Now, sometimes in the sandwiches we put some macaroni and cheese in, we had some collard greens and kale.
Oh, yeah.
You could put that in here too, but everybody ate the mac and cheese, and everybody ate I know, it's
Big
one of the
fan
favorites.
favorite.
Now, I know. What was one of your favorite portions of the meal while I'm getting this ready?
The mac and cheese, that kind of goes without saying.
Okay.
And Puppet actually like the collard greens.
Oh, yeah.
Like the that fancy bacon. What's that called?
Oh,
pancetta.
pancetta. Oh,
that's
yes.
it. Yeah, Puppet like that.
Now, I'm going to put this, I'm going to put this into grill, and why don't you tell me so I know how many I need? Who's like
Family
in the
update?
house? Yeah, give me a family update so I know.
Well, Puppet not sure the numbers there. You're gonna have to make a few.
Okay.
But but Puppet does have a little bad news he needs to share.
Why? Oh, Puppet, share it with me.
One of our guests is gonna have to stay a little longer because he's having some plumbing problems at home.
Okay, and how long?
Maybe 3 days, more like 5 days, probably 7 days.
Puppet, who is it?
Well, take a guess. It's Conrad.
Oh, Puppet.
Yep.
Now, he's welcome to stay, but you're going to have to feed him and make sure he's got water. And you're going to have to find activities for him for 7 days, because I'm going to be yes, Puppet. Because I'm going to be busy cleaning up from Thanksgiving.
This is getting worse.
Well, we're moving into Christmas, so I put this sandwich into grill. Why don't you go tell him he's welcome to stay?
Okay.
But but you're responsible for him. Okay, so go tell him, and I'm going to grill a sandwich.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Alright. Now, we're going to, in the interest of time, we've switched this out. Alright, let's put this one in. Look at that. Okay. So, alright. Oh, look at where's my knife? Where did Puppet go? Let's see. You know what? Let's just get this. I want everybody to see.
Hey, kitchen lady. Hey, how's it going? Look at that. Whoa, that's just a sandwich. Yeah.
Conrad.
Puppet's called you the kitchen witch before. Now you're the sandwich. Yeah.
Conrad.
Do it, yeah, lady. Have you heard the news? I'm gonna be here for 7 more days. Yeah. You must be stoked. This is gonna be the bomb. The 3 of us, like the 3 Musketeers.
Conrad.
3 desperados.
Puppet.
3 amigos.
Puppet.
Yeah, man.
Puppet.
It's gonna be like one constant party.
Puppet, I need you in the kitchen, please, right away.
No, if you need any help in here, Conrad is great at helping out. He knows a little how to do everything.
Oh, Conrad, yes. Puppet, please.
What do you need, kitchen lady?
Puppet, why don't you take Conrad out and do a little activity with him while I'm just getting ready to serve sandwiches?
Oh, okay. Yeah. What are we gonna do? Let me think. Puppet's gonna show you his rock collection. Come on, let's go. Yeah. It's gonna be awesome, man. Like, I'm looking forward to this. You must be too. 7 days. It's gonna be righteous. Yeah. It's like the party never stops, man. Mayhem. It's awesome.